Hi there, it's Shell. I thought I would show you guys this meal that we make all the time. It is, I don't know, I call it maybe a cabbage boil. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, there's carrots, potatoes, smoked sausage, and cabbage. And then I show you how to layer it in the pan and cook it till it's done. Very fast, very simple, and very filling. This is a recipe that my grandmother used to make all the time. I love it served with cornbread, but today we're going to have it with homemade bread because Clint made homemade bread. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know. So this is really simple. All you're going to do is put carrots in like the bottom of your pan, and when it comes up to, or your pot, when it comes up to a boil, you're going to set your timer for 15 minutes. It's not quite there, so I'll set that timer here shortly. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to add in some peeled and halved potatoes. Sorry, I had to think what I was trying to talk about. So you just want them kind of small. They don't have to be you don't want them chopped because then they would overcook. So if you have like a massive potato, you would like half it and then just, you know, do it in like maybe three chops or whatever. So I'll show you the potatoes here in a minute. Okay, so we are setting the timer 15 minutes, and you do want to go ahead and season each layer that you're putting in here, but this is such a hearty meal. We love it, and like I said, it's from my grandmother. She would make this all the time. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes, and now you're just going to add your potatoes. Go ahead. And then as soon as you get all your potatoes in, you're going to set the timer for another 15 minutes. Okay, and the last two ingredients is cabbage. Might be able to kind of squish it down too so it's not super watery. And some smoked sausage. We use turkey smoked sausage. And then we're going to cook it for another at least 15 minutes. And yeah, we may have to add some water. 15, maybe more, depending on how you want your cabbage cooked. Sometimes I think 15 minutes isn't enough. But the smoked sausage, like I said, we use turkey smoked sausage. You can use any kind. And then by now, you know, the carrots will have been cooking 45 minutes. The potatoes will be 30 minutes, which is about done for carrot or potatoes here. And then your cabbage. So it's all done. You have a break in between, which is really nice. This is really good served with cornbread, but we're going to have homemade bread because Clint made bread today. So yeah, so at the beginning of this video though, you would have seen what it looks like, but that's how easy it is. It's super yummy, super filling. And then we always make such a big pot, but we seem to eat all the sausage one night. So we put 1 pound or whatever, 1 container of sausage in there for one night, and then whatever leftovers, we add another thing of sausage, and tomorrow all we have to do is just heat it up and we have dinner for 2 nights. So I hope this was helpful, and it's so filling. It's full of veggies, and yeah, we love it. Again, this is another one of my grandmother's favorite. So I am going to add some salt and pepper to the cabbage just to kind of give it some flavor. I didn't add salt and pepper to the potatoes because we still had a bunch of water that I had flavored with the potatoes or with the carrots. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you try it, let me know. We will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Bye guys. Thanks for listening.